Welcome to Vlogmas Day 13.
Hey guys, happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. It is Vlogmas Day 13 and I am really proud of myself. I have actually vlogged every single day so far in the month of December, and this being my first time, I'm really really proud of myself because I've not had any, knock on wood, things that have kept me from vlogging. So anyway, I am going to pick up some cinnamon rolls from a neighbor of mine. She's selling them and they looked really good, so I'm going to pick those up. And then also, last night you guys saw me working on my sister's quilt. So we've got some quilters in my neighborhood as well. And I hate the sandwiching part of quilting, where you're putting the back and the batting and the top together, and you have to either use pins, basting spray, whatever. So she's got a new method that I'm going to try, some basting powder, and she's going to let me borrow it. So she's going to sit it on her porch for me, and ironically she lives around the corner, which is awesome. So anyway, so that's, and I'm telling you, so today here, and I know I had a viewer say, oh my God, 40 something degrees is not cold. Well, in Texas, anything below 50, you get a little bit of a nip. And it's supposed to be really cold today. The cold front's supposed to be coming through. It's already 43, so it's going to even drop further than that. And the wind chill is going to be crazy. And it is raining cats and dogs. Got my scarf on, so I'm gonna go get the basting spray and also my cinnamon rolls. And then when I come home, I'm going to, believe it or not, I do have one more batch of jelly to do. I'm going to do that real quick, and then I'm going to concentrate on my sister's quilt for pretty much the rest of the day. And then hopefully at the end of the night, I'll be able to get some knitting done on my friend's socks so I can move on to my Christmas socks and also Steven's socks. So those are my two outstanding projects. I also want to finish my hat. I want to do another scarf. There's so many things that I want to do, guys, but I got to kind of rein it in because I can't do everything. Even though mentally in my mind I think that I can and I should, sometimes it's not necessarily a good idea. So anyway, so we will see what happens today. Okay, so I am back home. It's probably about 9:45 in the morning. It is about 9:45 in the morning. And literally from just a few minutes that I was gone, the temperature here is 39 degrees and the wind chill is 34. And it's only going to get colder today. So that just makes me want to have hot chocolate. I don't have a fireplace here, but if I did, it would be on. And just kind of chill and watch some Christmas movies, sing some Christmas carols. Oh, anyway, I live about 40 minutes, a 40-minute drive from the border of Oklahoma. And I hear they're supposed to be having record-breaking snowfall today. So that's how close we are. So it would be really nice if we could get some snow here in Texas this year. It would be a nice bright spot. The kids can go outside and play, and anyway, because I remember snow days when I was younger, and it just brought back brings back so many good memories. So anyway, they're few and far between here in Texas. I think it's supposed to snow at the border of Texas and Oklahoma, but that's not that close to me. But anyway, so yeah, so I got my cinnamon rolls, I got my basting powder, so I got plans today. So let's see what all I get done today. So guys, this is what's left of the cinnamon rolls. They were so delicious. We have such talented folks in our neighborhood. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Okay, so it is about 5:22. I have not vlogged a whole lot today at all, except for what you guys probably saw earlier. So I am just now getting to work on my sister's quilt again. I have to piece together two pieces of fabric to make the backing because the quilt is so big. So once I do that, I'm going to baste the back and the front together with the quilting in between. And I'm probably not going to do anything else with it tonight. I'll probably start the quilting part of it tomorrow evening. So I am so far behind on my Christmas shopping that this evening is just going to be dedicated to doing that. Me and Amazon, we're about to be really, really close right now so that we can get all this taken care of and done this week. Okay, so I started basting and pinning the quilt together, and I had a neighbor that was nice enough to let me use some basting powder, and that worked, I thought. And I handed it back to her, and I don't know, I must have done something wrong. Anyway, so I'm pinning the quilt now, and I have run out of pins. So I'm gonna quit for tonight and go get some tomorrow.
Welcome to Vlogmas Day 14.
So today I decided to wear some hand knit socks, and I'm going to tell you, these socks were some of the first ones I ever knit for Jordan, and unfortunately he was going through a growth spurt and only wore them once or twice. So guess who got them? Me. So anyway, I love them. They're so comfy and warm, and I actually love the colors. And yes, it's about 40 degrees right now, so, and the wind chill is in the 30s, so these are nice and toasty. So the quilt is still in the same place as it was yesterday. I did not get a chance to go get pins for it, so I hope to do that today. I honestly do not think I'm going to be able to work on this again until this weekend, so yeah, that's what's going on right now. Okay, so I just made it home from work, and I went ahead and packed up a couple more orders for jelly, because you know that's my side business, even though it wasn't really intentional. So okay guys, so I missed it, but Santa Claus came by the neighborhood to visit all the kids in the neighborhood, so Alexis got to get a sneak peek, and they went by so fast that Steven didn't get a chance to vlog it, so that's a bummer. But anyway, so this was a quick vlog, and I want to wish you guys a happy night, and we'll see you in the next vlog. Bye bye.